Naka Kiew biang jong jingdan ki nongpang ki bayo yuknyang jingpang coronavirus hapoh ka jylla ka sarkar jylla hapoh ka jingelam jong chief secretary ka jylla MS Rao dangshen ka ladap banlum ya ka jingelang bansang perkhat kumno bante la kambyang yaute virus kat kum ka jingpentip ka balayo pediang no director of health services MI Dr Amanwar hene ka sngi ka khandai tarik uyayong ka jingdan jong ki bayo pang covid hadu ka sngi tho deng kalong sispa andrpnyongot bat ki bakyam pang menta kasngi kidan hadu saupu arngot bat ki bakot kidan tang ringot ki babon na ki bakyam pang kidai na east khasils kata live saungot boats ka west gar hills laingot riboy bot west giant hills mar arngot bat hai east giant hills tang uwei hakabai dei bat ka jingpen kre jong ka sarkar bakilat kilinti ban yakun persha yuni khnyang jingpang ushilong mel ulayo ban yakran bat u principal secretary katanat ka kot ka kya usampat kumar ubala pentip baka sarkar ka sngokhya bayo sasisien ka klam kan kata byang ya ka jinglong jingman kumta ka sarkar kala da banthaw kilat habai dei bat kani ka banta ula pentebru baka sarkar kala da ban patha ya baro ki district man perking ya kur komrung ki brio bat kino ki bawan rung shika jylla ki de banra ya ka RT-PCR negative report lani ban hab ban le test hapoh ki take entry points nakaliang kumar ulai thur baka sarkar kala da ban penwi ru ya ka hukum bakino ki bompong mas ki jaka paidbah kinsha dan kuna hadu syajar tingka but ika night curfew insdang ban pentrekam na do ka porch pho bujimin miet hadu san bijim stem ulai thuru bakala penmi hukum ru baki dukan ki restaurant bat ki bar hapoh ka jylla ki de ban khangno hapoh ka por khandai biji.
Similarly, now we are asking all the districts to activate all the behavior change management committees. We have we have constituted behavior change management committees, especially to to teach and to educate and to motivate every citizen about the need for maintaining the protocols. The need of the hour is that the mask is the best preventive measure. So everyone has to wear mask. And everyone has to think that they might potentially carry the virus and affect others. So that kind of a sense of responsibility has to be inculcated. So we are asking the behavior change management committees to really educate people about the need for rising the guard, rising the consciousness about this entire COVID protocols again, not to be complacent and to make sure that everyone is adhering to these protocols and maintaining the physical distance, avoiding the social gatherings,